The top facts about cat food palatability and their drivers. Welcome to our video on cat food palatability. As a cat owner, you know that cats can be picky eaters, and finding a food that your cat loves can be a challenge. In this video, we'll explore the top facts about cat food palatability, including what drives it. 1. Cats are obligate carnivores, which means their diets must contain high levels of animal-based protein. Therefore, the taste and smell of meat are important drivers of palatability. 2. Other factors that contribute to palatability include texture, moisture content, and temperature of the food. Cats generally prefer food with a soft, moist texture that is easy to chew and swallow. Cats are naturally inclined to get their moisture from their food. Additionally, moist foods may help to prevent dehydration and promote healthy urinary tract function in cats. 3. Cats have fewer taste buds than humans, but they have more sensitive taste buds that are specialized for detecting certain flavors, such as sweet and umami or savory. Humans have an average of 9,000 taste buds, cats only have around 470, while dogs have about 1,700 taste buds. 4. Fats are an important component of cat food, as they provide energy and enhance the taste and aroma of the food. Animal fats like chicken, beef, or fish are more preferred. 5. The use of flavor enhancers, such as hydrolyzed proteins, can help to improve the palatability of cat food by making it more appealing to cats. Protein hydrolysates can stimulate the release of certain neurotransmitters, such as dopamine and serotonin, that are associated with pleasure and reward in the brain. Poultry and fish hydrolysates are preferred choices for cat palatability enhancers. 6. Variety is important for maintaining palatability, as cats can quickly become bored with the same type of food. Offering different textures, flavors, and brands can help to keep cats interested in their food. 7. The age and health status of a cat can affect its food preferences and palatability. Older cats may prefer softer textures and more flavorful foods, while cats with dental problems may prefer softer, easier to chew foods. 8. A cat's feeding history can influence their preferences for certain types of food. Cats can develop strong preferences for certain flavors or textures based on their previous experiences with food. 9. The temperature of the food can affect a cat's preference. Cats have a strong sense of smell, and warming up a food can release more aromas that can make it more appealing to a cat. 10. The texture of the food can also influence a cat's preference. Cats may prefer foods with a certain texture, such as pâté-style wet foods or dry kibble with a specific size or shape. 11. The quality and freshness of ingredients can impact a cat's liking for a food. Using high-quality, fresh ingredients can improve the taste and aroma of a cat food, making it more appealing to cats. 12. Social factors can influence a cat's food preferences. Some cats may prefer to eat alone, while others may be more likely to eat when other cats are present. Additionally, cats may be more likely to accept a new food if they see another cat eating it. 13. Amino acids such as taurine and arginine are essential and important for cats' health and can also influence palatability. Taurine is good for vision, heart function, and immune system health. Arginine plays a crucial role in the urea cycle and helps get rid of ammonia to prevent hyperammonemia. In conclusion, cat food palatability is an important consideration when selecting a food for your cat. At Sinonin Biotech, we have significant knowledge and expertise in the development of palatability enhancers for pet food. We specialize in innovating, producing, and applying these enhancers and have an extensive network that can help with any inquiries related to palatant innovation, process, or selection. We also offer support in formulation and validation criteria. Please do not hesitate to get in touch with us to learn more.